Hi everyone! In this video, we will cover some of the best tips to detan your skin during the summer. First, make sure to wear protective clothing and sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Next, drink plenty of water. Third, it's important to detan before you go out. Fourth, papaya is an excellent natural skin detanning remedy. Fifth, exfoliating your skin is an essential step in any skincare routine. Sixth, consider using detanner cream or facial kit. Seventh, try using detan lamp at night. Eighth, there are several natural home remedies like lemon juice and honey, a cucumber and lemon juice face mask, or turmeric and yogurt paste. Visit our website at www.sabizi.com for good sunscreen and detan products.